upstairs, I'm going to do 2 squared, now positive, and x to the 6 is now positive, and then I'm going to go ahead and do 2 squared, so 2 times 2 is 4, so I'm going to go ahead and change that to a 4, and that is my final answer. All right, the last thing that we're going to look at then, and this is the hard stuff, is these last got it on the next page. All right, so it says, is -3 to the -2nd positive or negative? Justify your answer. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at this one. -3 to the -2. So we said anything that has a negative exponent, we're going to move it downstairs. So you're going to take this because it's a negative exponent and move it downstairs. So that new problem looks like 1 over -3 squared. It doesn't matter that the 3 is negative. It only matters about that negative exponent. Okay, so you move it down and now it becomes positive. Now I'm going to go ahead and work this. So what is -3 times -3, which would be a positive 9? So my answer would be a positive 1/9. And if I was justifying my answer, I would say this answer is positive because -3 squared is a positive answer, and it's a positive 1/9. All right, last one we're going to look at today. It says, is 4 to the -3 greater than 1, equal to 1, or less than 1? Okay, so what I would do is I would go ahead and work this out. I have 4 to the -3rd power. Anything to a negative power needs to move downstairs. So if it's downstairs now, it's 4 to the 3rd power. So 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. So this is 1 over 64. Okay, so the question is this number greater than 1, equal to 1, or less than 1? Well, if I have 1/64th of something, 64 over 64 would equal 1 whole. We've already learned that. So it's definitely not equal to 1. Okay, if I only have 1 out of 64, that is not greater than 1. If it was greater than 1, it would have to be like 65 over 64 would be greater than 1. So it's not greater than 1. So it is definitely, this one is less than 1 if I have 1 out of 64. All right, that is your lesson for 3.5. Feel free to watch if it doesn't make sense, and make sure you guys have taken all your notes. Have a great day. Bye-bye.